Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to do a quick video on how to take apart a Playmobil remote control Future Planet car. So this is just the frame of it. This is pretty much the same for all Playmobil Future Planet cars. It's the same frame for all of them. I've already removed these two screws which go in these two holes. And then you need a flathead screwdriver. And actually, so first I'm going to start off by taking off the top layer, because there's two layers to the car. So there you have one snap in the front, and then you have another one here on the side, and then another one on this side, and then it's apart. So you have to be very careful when you take these apart that you don't lose any pieces. So on the top there's not that many pieces to lose. There's these two buttons which activate the crash sensors on the side. So those you can remove. And then there's also this piece here, which that is sort of part of the wheel lock system for the front. And then that's about it. Here's the computer board. Here are the solder connections for the speaker, motor 1, motor 2. So motor 2 is the turning one. And then here's the two infrared shoot sensors. So if it gets shot by another car, those are the two sensors. Then here's minus in, minus out, and then alternating current. So now I'm going to take apart the bottom section. This is harder to do, and it is a very high likelihood that you might lose parts. When I took apart one of these cars for the first time, I lost a bunch of pieces, so I couldn't really get it back together and have it be functional. Unfortunately, I don't know where any of the parts that I did have went, because I know I had a couple extra parts, but because basically the reason why I'm taking apart this car is because of its turning system isn't working. I got this from a flea market, so that's probably why it's broken. So I'm just going to start trying to get these pieces out, just so we don't lose them. So these are some of the gears from the rear wheel drive system. There we go. So it's really difficult to get this apart and back together without breaking any solder connections either, because there's the motor here and gears and all sorts of things. So now I'm going to try and show you how all the gears go. I did have this figured out at one point. So this gear goes here. There's one. No, there's these two, which I think are identical. They look about the same to me. So then we put that in here. There's two. And then three. And then the motor goes there. Now I'm not sure what's wrong with the steering. It might be a broken gear or missing gear, I'm not sure. But you can see this little bar here. I'm going to zoom in. So you can see this gear here slides from side to side. You see the black, it moves the black piece, which moves the turning pieces. So I'm not really sure. Oh. So this looks like someone tried to fix this at one point, Looks like someone broke this off, so they added on this screw piece where it should be plastic. That might be a problem. Now I forgot how this went. So I know how these go here. Like that. And then that one goes there. And then that would probably mean that this goes in like this. There. There's the side to side. So I guess that fix works, but it would be more ideal if that wasn't like that. So then this piece, yeah, and I keep feeling all these little black shards. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like broken plastic. So there is the safety lock feature, so that if you turn this on purpose, this little piece here will come dislodged, so that will be loose, right? But then it's supposed to click back into place, which isn't what it was doing. That's why I took it apart. And then this bar, which this was one of the only pieces I was missing when I was trying to put together my original car. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. That's because it was missing this little bar here. So it looks like this is actually all the pieces. I don't know if one of them came dislodged maybe when they were trying to fix it. But that's how all of the gears should go. And the motor, basically the gear for the motor slides underneath this one. It goes in this slot right here. Pretty tricky to do. And then I keep trying to decipher the computer board here. I'm not that good yet, but I have found that a lot of Playmobil computer boards have a non-stop link. I was hoping these cars might have it so they won't turn off. I've done this on the E-Ranger station also. So yeah, I guess I'll keep trying to look. But that's how you would take it apart. If you want more videos on how to fix Playmobil things or on this specific car, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.